Hi, it's Karl again here from Rittal UK. This week, we're in the showroom. So one of the big things is the integrity of the enclosure. We need to try and maintain IP55 at all times, and the reason for this is, for example, if you used to have filter fans and you've got a hole in the side of the enclosure, if you don't seal that properly or you don't glange your cables correctly, you're just getting dirty air from the factory constantly entering the enclosure, and the thing about that is you're going to have to try and cool the whole factory then. And the other thing, which sounds like common sense but you need to keep vigilant with it, is keeping the door shut on the enclosure, because it happens all the time and it causes a lot of issues. Sorted. The next big consideration is correctly sizing your cooling equipment, because the thing is, if you're doing a brand new panel, you need to do some sort of therm calculation with Rittal's free Retherm software. You can find that on our website, because that makes sure that the cooling unit that you select is big enough to handle the heat output of the equipment inside the enclosure. But the next thing is, in a couple of years' time, you might add a transformer, you might make the panel a bit bigger, a variable speed drive, and all of a sudden there's more heat in there and this guy can't handle it. So what you then need to consider is moving to something bigger and upgrading.